Good morning, everyone. I am Vishnu Uktab, and in front of all of you, I am presenting the Mint newspaper headline. So, first of all, why Jet Airways stays grounded despite its rescue. Next, Muniris regain. Then we comes to the page number 4 in their data recaps quarter 2 results week hiring air travel. Then we comes to page number 5 in that center sees economic growth in financial year 23 at 6.5%. Government expects external shocks and high interest rates to hit economy. Next, quarter 2 growth likely at 6.4% poll. Next, SEBI to RBI, NBFC's evergreening loans. Next, bank stocks party may have more lags. Next, Amazon faces Black Friday protest. Next, esports industry shift to new turf. Next, Sensex and Nifty scale records high. Next, Kamath hires ex ICICI Collegio for GeoFin. Then next on page number 7 in that SBI to consider rising $1.2 billion through infrastructure bonds. Next, data protection board will be autonomous. Vaishnav. Next, Biocon Biologics allot shares worth rupees 2205.60 crore to its parent. Next, India's coal production rises 18% to 448 meter in October. Next, Delhi High Court imposes rupees 10 lakh fine on Sun Pharma for concealing facts. Next, SC questions center tearing hurry in appointing Goel as EC. Next, focus on internal demand drivers. Quarter 2 GDP is key CEA. Next, moderately brisk GDP growth in coming years. Next, joblessness dips in July September quarter. Next, pharma steel exports may get a leg up. Next, state reforms capex among issues at minister budgets meeting today. Then we comes to page number 8 in that Microsoft partners with IIT Bombay body to support startups. Next, Amazon to close online learning academy in India. Next, FTC likely to file lawsuit to block Microsoft bid for Activision. Next, startups Binley raises fund from angel investors. Next, Google ties up with Indian game developers. Next, Bombay Shaving CEO rises rupees 25 crore. Next, Jungle Ventures undeterred by funding winter in startups. Next, esports industry shift to new turf after BGMI PUBG ban. Next, Udan taps Evolution X for debate of $40 billion. Then we comes to page number 9 in that truckers in Korea strike in threat to global supply chain. Next, Malaysia stocks rally most since March 2020 after leader named. Next, bank stocks party still has more lags. Next, Siemens rides high on order inflow, stunning momentum key. Next, Stellantis aims early gains in India EV market with Citroën. Next, SEBI clarifies on green bonds. Next, NDTV offer gets 2.8 million shares. Next, what Meta's latest report says. Then we comes to page number 10 in that the war for sustainability will be won or lost in this decade. India's role is imperative. Next, drivers of growth is in a project based future. Then we comes to page number 11 in that consumer goods scores lead in adopting ONDC portal. Next, clearinghouse will have to seek ESMA reconciliation again. Next, Bisleri in advanced talks with Tata's other to sell biz. On page number 12 in that government mulls nodal body to secure power grids. Next, one photograph, one supernova and three different images of it. Then we comes to page number 13 in that GDP may grow 6.4% in quarter 2 poll. Next, PE VC industry wants government to allow perpetual funds in India. Next, central government's economic growth in financial year 23 is at 6.5%. Next, Sensex Nifty scale record highs. Next, Bob eager returns to Disney may mean cost checks in India biz. Next, SEBI to RBI, NBFC's evergreening loan. Next, Kamath hires ex-ICICI executive for GeoFin. Next, Sensex Nifty scale record high. Then we comes to panel 14 in that just a transition and investor confidence are key to net zero. Next, India's green hydrogen plan will need rupees 30 ton funding by 30. Then we comes to page number 15 in that China to ramp up monetary stimulus has growth outlook darken. Next, JP Morgan Deutsche Bank switched by Stephen Acusar in New York. Next, Saudi Aramco base oil gets nude for $1 billion Riyadh IPO. Next, Malaysia's Anwar Ibrahim becomes PM, ending decades long wait. Next, Pakistan picks army chief has a strife with ex-PM depends. Next, Amazon faces Black Friday protest and strikes in 40 nations. Then next on page number 16 in that NRI investing in large housing units. Next, Punjab gets government note to sell stake in UTI AMC. Next, government values Ashok Hotel at rupees 7,409 crore. Next, Foxconn offers staff $1,400 to leave after iPhone unit violence. Next, Patra hints at information constant trend. Next, Competition Commission to check GST profiteering issues. Next, hotel sector to gain from biz travel rise. Next, RTI portal for info on SC's operationalized. Next, Akash founder Byju's Delhi property. Next, recession unlikely in APAC in 2023. Next, Uday asks states to verify Aadhaar. Then next on page number 18 in that meet the global banker who beats on Indian startups. Next on page number 17 in that Band Baja Bharat and the big bucks. Next on page number 18 in that how to invest for my short and mid and long term financial goals. Next, what retires how should keep in mind while investing in the stock market. Then we comes to page number 19 in that $3.5 billion for a dose. Time to heal this market. Next, the rise and fall in this digital age of social network empires. Next, India's economy can readily ride out a global slowdown. Then we comes to page number 20 in that villages at the periphery and the changing face of backwardness. Next, Manchester United fans ought to be careful what they wish for. Next, women rarely hear that a job differs different from one's career. That much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.